Hi, I'm Hirokazu Usui, creator of ChainOfAsker. ChainOfAsker is a new style job management web application which supports distributed planning. I explained how to create project plan by part 1 video, so I will show project follow-up function by this part 2. If you are not watching part 1, I recommend to watch part 1 first and come back to these videos. Okay, let's start the follow-up operation of Sales John's menu consultation task. This is Sales John's project screen. Here he updates his task progress. To update progress, we increment progress by this way. You can see this upper request % and progress bar is also changed automatically. And when Sales John completes his task, he changed task status to completed. Okay, now I change status to completed. Then progress also changed 100% automatically and the next shopping task become can do. This is a way to change progress and status. And here, as a result of menu consultation task, Sales John got selected menu launch information which must inform to Chef Mac and Shopper Jane. To share this kind of job-related additional information, we have function to post and share additional information. To use these functions, we open the original request of which we want to add information. In this case, it is cooking request. So I open cooking request and click additional information post button. Then we get the additional information screen. Here we will input title, additional information, and designate mandatory reader who must read this information. To designate mandatory readers, please click Add Reader button and select a reader. Okay, this is the screen after input all data, so I save this information. Now, we can see menu information is posted with 2 mandatory readers, but none of them read yet. Okay, all Sales John's operation is finished. Next is Shopper Jane shopping task, so I change user role to Shopper Jane. Okay, this is Shopper Jane's screen. At first, let's look at notification on my request and task tab. Here, Shopper Jane is notified her shopping task become can-do status and she have information from Sales John. To read the information, please click of its title and select Show Detail. Yes, this is the menu information written by Sales John, and when Shopper Jane opens this information, date and time is recorded. Okay, go back to project screen and change shopping task status to completed. Okay, now shopping task status become completed and progress is 100%, and also parent's request is changed to completed automatically because this is the only one task to realize of its parent's shopping request. Now Shopper Jane's operation is finished and next is Chef Mac's cooking task, so I will change user role to Chef Mac. Okay, user is changed. At first, let's look at notifications. Here we can see shopping request completed notifications. This completed notification is also the requirement to Chef Mac to confirm output quality and respond OK or ask change it when it does not meet his requirement. Here we just confirm it. To do this, let's jump to cooking request by clicking of its title and select position in the project. OK, tab is changed to project. Here we set confirmed status to shopping request. Now shopping request is confirmed, so system changes post cooking task status to can do. Okay, Chef Mac worked hard and his cooking task is finished, so Chef Mac changed his cooking task status to completed. Then parent's cooking request status is also changed to completed. Remaining operation is Sales John's confirmation for his cooking request. To do this, I change user role to Sales John. Okay, user is changed to Sales John. Here Sales John confirms his cooking request. Then top request is also changed to confirmed because top request asker and helper is same Sales John. So in this case, system judged helper's completed declaration is equal to asker's confirmations. Now top request is confirmed, so project is over. Up to this point, I explained these follow-up functions at project execution phase. You might feel these functions are common in the current project management system, so these are not enough to manage our daily job, because we have various unexpected incidents at project execution phase. If you think so, please remember the planning power we have. Yes, in ChainOfAsker, we are the planner of our own working plan, so we can change our plan to overcome problem. I'll show by example. Let's imagine a situation to prepare 100 lunch. Chef Mac must use big oven which is not used for a long time. He tested big oven and found the problem to fix, so he asked maintenance man scrapper to fix oven. This is the project screen of these scenarios. This is Chef Mac issued oven fix request prior to his cooking task, and this is the oven fix task created by scrapper. So in this case, Chef Mac could add recovery plan by himself. Usually, we think plan is developed at initial planning phase, but this is not true. This is a graph of accumulated task count with time lapse. When we start project, number of tasks increase by initial planning activity, but number of tasks continue to increase in a project execution phase because we must add plan to overcome various problems which unveiled at project execution phase. Yes, to keep changing our plan is the only one possible countermeasure to keep project going in a changing real world. So I think distributed planning capability is the most important feature at project execution phase. Now, you have learned how to develop project plan, how to follow up, and how to recover your plan. So, as a final part, I will show how to change from tutorial mode to web mode in which you can post real requests to your member. ChainOfAsker uses Google account for user identification, so before change to web mode, please log in Google account. To do this, please click Login link at About tab. Then you are redirected to Google login site by new browser windows, and here please log in. ChainOfAsker asks Google who is current login user after you are logged in. Google does not provide your password to ChainOfAsker, so your password is kept within Google system. And after login to change web mode, please open ChainOfAsker operation panel and select web mode and click change mode button. Then you have a clean project screen. Now user role selection box is gone because this is not a tutorial mode, so please act your role and ask what you want. I hope it should be given to you. Thank you to watch this long video, and if this approach meets to your job management needs, please visit ChainOfAsker.com and evaluate it by yourself. Bye.